two more boxes have arrived. One just a few minutes ago from Brewdog. Pardon me. This, the guy tried to deliver it earlier on and I was out. So that's him returned, which is very good of him. A lot of drivers wouldn't do that. Well, I think I failed the intelligence test, that's it. I was looking for a bit of tape or something. There we go. I knew it was going to be simple in the end. I think I'm the only simpleton here. It's always beautifully packaged. I'm saying always. It's only the second box I've had. So what do we have first? So this is a Brewdog. Oh yeah. Hazy Jane Guava. And is that a sour or a... Well, it's a New England IPA. A sour. Next up. Oh, a Pedal Pony Pilsner. And that is from... Who brews that? Cycle Brewing St. Pete. Is that? I'll check that. And what is that? Excuse me, that's the kids playing. No, my kids playing this there. Yeah, it's a Pilsner, a lager. So it's 5.5%. Yeah, it's Cycle Brewing. And I don't know where they're based. That writing's way too small. And this one was, what, 5%. Next one. Brewdog again, Bosch Beer. That's a West Coast IPA. And that's at 5% again. Very nice. And finally, is that BRLO? Brillo? It's an IPA from, I don't know, not unless that's what the brewery's called. Let's have a wee look in the magazine, Brewdog and Friends. Featuring Brillo, it is, Berlin. Cycle Brewing, St. Petersburg, Florida. Oh, an American one. Bosch, London. So let's have a wee look to see. Yeah, so the Hazy Jane Guava, that's a Brewdog one. The Brillo, Guten Tag from Berlin. So it's an IPA, German IPA. So it's just, I think the brewery, its brewing company is Brillo, and the beer is just Brillo IPA. Next one, Bosch Beer, and that's from Brewdog as well. West Coast meets West London. And Pedal Pony Pilsner. And that's Cycle Brewing. Where are they based? It doesn't say. So I'm really, so it's just 2 cans each, it's just doublers. One for me, one for my friend. No chance. No, get your own beer. No. No, it means I can review one and the other, somebody else, if they happen by, can have the other one. So I'm very pleased with it. That's my second box from Brewdog, and the first ones were all very nice. They were all, try to remember, oh, there was the Mikkeller, the ice cold, the Danish one. Can't remember what else. The Lost Lager. Oh, the Tories Hopper Only. That was the star of that box. There was mixed feelings about that beer, but I really enjoyed it. So for the next one, this is from Flavourly. So I got one yesterday or the day before from Flavourly, because I'd taken out 2 subscriptions, one to their Subscribe and Save and the other one to their beer club. And because I never knew which was which, I don't know which box came yesterday. This looks like a big box actually. That's just an advert for coffee. Bin. Some love corn, is that smoked barbecue. I think that's what I got in the other box as well. I've already eaten them, they're really nice. Will I get the magazine? Oh, and it's the new one, because I've got 2 copies of issue 51. And this is 52, the new one. So I'm thinking this is the beer club. I don't know. I'm just making that up. I'm just pure guessing. Right, let's see. I think there might be 24 cans in here. So this one, Moore Nano Cask, and that's the Session Bitter. Now, I'm thinking, have I got that already? I've got a feeling I've got that one, and I haven't tasted it yet. I've not reviewed it yet. Yeah, it's the Session Bitter. Yeah, I think I have got them already. So I'm thinking this is my Subscribe and Save box, and yesterday was the craft beer one. Yeah, that makes sense. Because it was there was 5 cans of Tempest Brewing. It's a local brewery to me. And this is a Subscribe and Save. So I think this was something like £20 for, well, I don't know how many cans. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. There's 20 cans in there. And I'm sure this was only 20 quid or something. I'll put that in, I'll check that. Right, next one. I'll put my glasses on. Sussex born, and it's Gun Brewery, and it's Scaramanga Extra Pale. And that is what? It's a 3.9%. So that looks quite nice. And there's another one, oh yes. Freedom New Zealand Pale. I don't know if I've got that one already. I might have. Yeah, there's another can of that. Oh yes. Yeah, the Moore Revival, I have got that one already. I think I've got a couple of cans of that already. Next up, oh that looks nice, eh? Twisted Hop from Hilden Brewing Company. It's a 4.7 Pale Premium Bitter Ale. Twisted Hop. That looks absolutely cracking. So, and that's the same thing. Adverts. Spiked. I seen an advert for it, an article. It's seltzer, flavoured seltzer, alcoholic. More adverts. Right. I'm hoping these are different. They are indeed. So I can't read what that says. Ireland's oldest independent brewery. But it doesn't say what it's called. It's a collaboration with Flavourly. It's 4%. But I don't know what it is. An IPA maybe? I'll find it. I'll put that in. And there's 2 cans of that. Very nice. Next. I love this one. This is from another Irish beer, excellent. Whitewater Brewing Company, Maggie's Leap. Formidable, or formidable. And it's an IPA at 4.7%. And there's a second one. I love the cans. The feel of that, it's like a print, like a silk print. And the Shy Retirer. That's me summed up in a word. Shy and retiring. It's a micro pale, 2.8%. So I could give that to the kids. And who is that from? Exclusively brewed for Flavourly. Doesn't say where. Somewhere in North Yorkshire. Dishworth. Second last. Whitewater Brewing Company again. Hallion. A red. Is that a red ale? I think so. Oh my goodness, I'm so looking forward to these. Hallion again. And the last one is Freedom Kolsch from Freedom Brewery. I've already got one of these. So I'm very pleased that I've got another 2. So this is my subscribe and save box. So what they do is they put the favourites, best sellers, all the good beers, and they give you them at a pretty good price. So that's 20 cans, and I'll put the price in. I'll check that. I can't remember. There was one of them was only 19.95. So if that's 20 quid for 10 cans, that's 2 quid a can. That's pretty good going, I think, for good beer. Anyway, there's my tea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Ta-ta for now. Glug glug.